Over 37 million Americans have diabetes, and many don't even know it. Uncontrolled blood sugar can lead to serious health issues, but certain superfoods can help lower it fast. Stay until the end to discover the most effective foods for stabilizing your glucose levels naturally. One of the most overlooked strategies for stabilizing blood sugar is increasing fiber intake. Foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, and oats are fiber powerhouses that slow digestion and the release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. These seeds also contain healthy fats and omega-3s that reduce inflammation, a key factor in the development of insulin resistance. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into every meal not only supports blood sugar control but also improves digestive health. Another game-changer is the role of probiotics in managing diabetes. A healthy gut microbiome can significantly influence blood sugar levels because gut bacteria affect how the body processes glucose and responds to insulin. The best probiotic for women and men, particularly seed probiotics, help restore gut balance, enhance nutrient absorption, and reduce systemic inflammation. This connection between gut health and blood sugar regulation is so powerful that many experts now consider probiotics an essential part of diabetes management. Protein is another critical nutrient for blood sugar control. Adding protein shakes to your diet can help manage hunger, reduce sugar cravings, and promote stable glucose levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. Unlike weight loss pills, which often have questionable effectiveness and potential side effects, protein shakes provide sustained energy, promote muscle health, and support metabolic function. Meal replacement shakes designed for people with diabetes offer balanced macronutrients, controlled portions, and added fiber to prevent blood sugar spikes. Interestingly, even supplements like creatine, commonly used for athletic performance, have shown benefits in improving glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity, especially when combined with regular exercise. Vitamins and minerals play an indispensable role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Deficiencies in magnesium, chromium, and vitamin D are common among people with diabetes, and addressing these deficiencies can significantly improve insulin function and glucose control. While supplements can help, whole foods remain the most effective way to get these nutrients. Collagen supplements, often praised for skin, joint, and hair health, also benefit blood sugar regulation. Collagen powder supports vascular health, improves circulation, and strengthens connective tissues, which is critical because diabetes can weaken blood vessels over time. The best collagen supplements not only promote skin elasticity but also support kidney health, which is vital for people with diabetes. Diabetes is a leading cause of chronic kidney disease, and maintaining kidney function helps the body filter excess glucose effectively, reducing the risk of dangerous complications. High cholesterol often goes hand in hand with diabetes, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Including heart-healthy fats from foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil helps regulate cholesterol levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and green tea reduce chronic inflammation, which is a hidden driver of insulin resistance and many diabetes-related complications. Chronic inflammation not only worsens blood sugar control but also damages blood vessels, increasing the risk of cardiovascular events. Managing inflammation through diet can be as effective as certain medications in improving insulin response and metabolic health. Enjoying the content? Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Join our community and never miss out on new tips, tricks, and exciting content. Thank you for your support. Mental health is an often overlooked factor in diabetes management. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that raises blood sugar levels. Over time, elevated cortisol can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and poor glucose control. Stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and regular physical activity are critical for stabilizing blood sugar. Mental well-being directly impacts physical health, and addressing emotional stress can significantly improve diabetes outcomes. This holistic approach is far more effective than relying solely on medication or blood sugar supplements. Speaking of supplements, while they can support diabetes management, they should never replace a nutrient-rich diet. Many people turn to blood sugar supplements hoping for a quick fix, but without dietary changes, these products offer limited benefits. Natural solutions like cinnamon, which improves insulin sensitivity, and apple cider vinegar, which reduces post-meal blood sugar spikes, can be powerful additions to a healthy lifestyle. Unlike synthetic supplements, these natural foods come with additional health benefits, including improved digestion and reduced inflammation. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels using a sugar test is essential to understand how different foods affect your body. Organizations like Diabetes Canada emphasize the importance of self-monitoring, personalized meal planning, and regular health checkups to prevent complications. A well-structured diabetes meal plan isn't just about cutting out sugar, it's about finding the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and fibers to maintain stable glucose levels throughout the day. Meal timing is also crucial because irregular eating patterns can cause unpredictable blood sugar fluctuations. For men concerned about low testosterone, managing blood sugar is more important than you might think. High glucose levels can interfere with hormone production, leading to decreased testosterone. While testosterone boosters might offer temporary results, addressing the root cause, insulin resistance and high blood sugar, is the key to long-term hormonal health. Similarly, many people with diabetes rely on supplements without realizing that the real solution lies in dietary and lifestyle changes. Superfoods, combined with regular exercise and medical supervision, offer sustainable results without the risks associated with over-the-counter supplements. Adding legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans to your diet can significantly help regulate blood sugar levels. These foods are rich in fiber and protein, which slow down the digestion process and the release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. They also have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels compared to processed carbohydrates. The combination of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates makes legumes an excellent choice for those following a diabetes meal plan. Additionally, legumes are packed with nutrients like magnesium and potassium, which support heart health and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Nuts and seeds are another group of superfoods that can help eliminate high blood sugar quickly. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which work together to stabilize blood sugar levels and improve cholesterol profiles. The healthy fats in nuts help slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, reducing insulin spikes after eating. Chia seeds and flax seeds are especially beneficial because they contain both soluble fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming nuts regularly has been linked to improved mental health outcomes as well, reducing stress and anxiety, which can indirectly help maintain stable blood sugar levels by lowering cortisol production. Non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and Brussels sprouts are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them ideal for blood sugar control. These vegetables are also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health, including kidney health and heart health, which are often compromised in individuals with diabetes. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli contain compounds called sulforaphane, which have been shown to improve blood sugar levels and reduce oxidative stress. Including a variety of non-starchy vegetables in your meals can enhance insulin sensitivity and help prevent complications related to type 2 diabetes treatment. Citrus fruits, despite their natural sugar content, can actually help manage blood sugar levels effectively. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are rich in fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar. They are also packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve glucose metabolism. The antioxidants in citrus fruits help combat oxidative stress, which is a significant contributor to insulin resistance. Unlike sugary snacks and processed foods, citrus fruits provide natural sweetness without causing harmful blood sugar spikes, making them a smart choice for those managing diabetes. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, barley, and oats are excellent for managing blood sugar levels due to their high fiber content and complex carbohydrate structure. Unlike refined grains, whole grains digest slowly, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, which helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar. The fiber also improves insulin sensitivity by slowing the absorption of sugar and enhancing gut health. Additionally, whole grains are rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, which plays a crucial role in regulating insulin action. Incorporating whole grains into a diabetes meal plan not only stabilizes blood sugar but also supports heart health and aids in weight management, reducing the risk of complications related to diabetes. Avocados are a powerful superfood for blood sugar control because they are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats help improve insulin sensitivity and slow down the digestion of other carbohydrates in a meal, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. Avocados also contain fiber, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart health and reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome. Their high fiber content promotes satiety, helping with weight management, which is critical for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Adding avocados to salads, smoothies, or even as a spread can enhance nutrient absorption and provide long-lasting energy without causing blood sugar fluctuations. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious alternative to regular potatoes and are especially beneficial for people managing high blood sugar. They have a lower glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower, more controlled rise in blood sugar levels after consumption. Rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and anti-inflammatory antioxidants, sweet potatoes support immune health, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce oxidative stress. They also contain complex carbohydrates that help regulate glucose metabolism effectively. When baked or roasted without added sugars, sweet potatoes can be a satisfying, nutrient-dense option that fits well into a balanced diabetes meal plan. Green tea is another superfood that has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels. It contains powerful antioxidants known as catechins, which improve insulin sensitivity and enhance glucose metabolism. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to reduced fasting blood sugar levels and improved heart health, making it a great beverage choice for people with diabetes. Green tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce chronic inflammation often associated with insulin resistance. Unlike sugary beverages, green tea contains no calories and can help with weight management, further supporting stable blood sugar levels. Drinking a few cups of green tea daily can complement other dietary strategies for effective blood sugar control. Now you can keep watching and discover even more health tips.